The existence of the universal God is self-evident. The God exists everywhere. सब जगह, हर और हर जगह सर्वोच्च परब्रह्मन की उपस्थिति हम देख सकते हैं। मनुष्य का आकार जो है, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण या सबसे श्रेष्ठ कंप्यूटर से भी श्रेष्ठ है। The working of the heart, the working of the lungs, the working of the eyes, the working of the brain, the best of the cameras cannot zoom in and zoom out like our eyes. The best of the world computers have not found proofs to those theorems and identities that the best brains in the world have brought down to Mother Earth. ऐसे formulas जो मैथमेटिशियंस इस पृथ्वी पे लेके आए, उन फॉर्मूलाज जो उन्होंने अपने मस्तिष्क और with the help of their brain they have brought it down into this Mother Earth. There are actually no supercomputers yet available which can crack through and give adequate proofs to those formulas. The existence of the universal God is self-evident. His evidence is everywhere. Your understanding of your religion also deepens your appreciation of God and your own religion. So we need to deepen our appreciation of our own religion, the Buddhas, the Bodhisattvas, the avatars, the prophets, and the messiahs of various religions come from what is called as the heart of God. You must have heard of something, a phrase called as ये विष्णु अवतार है। कौन विष्णु अवतार है? श्री राम विष्णु अवतार है, विष्णु कृष्ण विष्णु अवतार है ना? So the meaning that these avatars are Vishnu avatars is that they come from the heart of the universal Vishnu, the love aspect of God is the universal Vishnu. Repeat, the love aspect of God or Vishnu is the universal Vishnu. जैसे हम सोल क्लास में देखते हैं, there are three aspects of God, the Vishnu, the Brahma and the Shiva. Repeat, there are three aspects of God, the Vishnu Tattva, the Brahma Tattva and the Shiva Tattva. Certain prophets, avatars, messiahs who are extremely loving and helpful to humanity, whose major aspect is the aspect of love, have been described through the attitude or the love aspect as the Vishnu, universal Vishnu avatar. All in this universe is a manifestation of God. It required divine intelligence to create this world. इस ब्रह्मांड में जो भी दिखता है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ उस निराकार का आकार रूप है. The formless and the causeless, when it takes a form and creates cause from which there is an effect, there is manifestation. When the causeless and the formless have taken an image, that is called as a manifestation of God. And for this manifestation to create a form, it required divine intelligence. That is the Brahma aspect. You see, a person may have eyes. लोगों का आंख होती है, लेकिन उन आंखों से उस सच्चाई को वो देख नहीं पाते हैं. We are not able to see, to know, and to realize that God exists. Look around you in nature Look around you in nature and you will realize that there is a more potent force which is working. There is a greater and potent force which is actually working. That is God. A person with eyes can see, to see, God is everywhere. The existence of God is self-evident. अगर आप देखना चाहो तो अगर आप देखना चाहो तो आप देख सकते हो कि चारों ओर सर्वोच्च परब्रह्मन का ही उपस्थिति है. The whole world has the existence of the Supreme God. This God is everywhere, in the hills, in the mountains, in the nature, in this intricate form called the human being, in our heart, in our eyes, in our brain. It required divine intelligence to create such intricate things. To create something in this world also it requires intelligence. जो सामान्य मनुष्य है वो भी जब ब्रह्मा के तत्व से काम करता है वो कुछ बनाने लायक होता है. He is able to manifest something. So the manifestation is a part of what is called divine intelligence. By looking at nature, you may be awed by the divine presence. Are you understanding the point? When you look around, when you look at nature, when you look around, when you look at nature, sometimes you will be taken aback by the intricate functioning of nature. There are many nature spirits, but there is only one supreme God and all beings come from him. 33 करोड़ देवताएं हैं जो नेचर स्पिरिट्स है या फेरीज है या एंजल्स बोलो, बट दे ऑल एग्जिस्ट इन दिस फिजिकल वर्ल्ड और एक ही सर्वोच्च परब्रह्मन है.